So I meant to go to a cafe today and I didn't get a chance because I was busy with work. And so I decided to drive into downtown Hartford and get something for lunch. It's very late now, it's way past lunch, but I take my enough self and come to this place. I don't know the name of it as yet, but this is so fancy. Let me see if they have a table if I need a reservation. I'm going to show you outside because outside looks really good. So it's very intimate in here. Look at this little table setup. As usual, I want to go outside, but today is a sunny day in Connecticut, but it is actually quite chilly. I thought I was going to be hot. It's chilly. So I'm going to sit outside, but it's enclosed anyway. Okay, so going to my table. So beautiful out here. Whoops.
How are you doing today?
Oh, Eli's taking care of me today. Eli doesn't know I'm a flirt, but look how beautiful this is. It looks like, okay, so I'm not able to zoom in, but look how beautiful it is. No, look at the overhead. Now, that's beautiful. I need a phone that knows how to capture the beauty of a restaurant.
This is how it really looks, but without the right light, it doesn't show in my camera frame.
So this is what it looks like. I'm trying to capture that table right behind me. It is so absolutely elegant here. And this is West Hartford. Listen, I am not regretting my move to Connecticut one tiny little bit.
I'm sitting inside, but the outside is calling my name. Those are real apples and pears on the tree. We're getting closer. Real apples and real pears. Look at the movement of the leaves. There's nothing more magical than the leaves blowing in the wind. I'm definitely going outside after I'm done eating. First, I have to get some work done because it's not a working lunch if you're not doing any work. So I do not want this day to end, so I'm taking it outside. Listen to me, man, it's a winner whenever you can't decide if you should be inside or outside because you don't know which one is more appealing. Real apples and real pears. This is just lovely. Like, you know me, you know this is my jam. And look at this. I can honestly say in all the places I have been, I have never seen one of these. And I'm gonna go sit over here and finish my strawberry something something. I appreciate the music, but I can't record my video out here with this music playing. So I think I'm gonna have to leave. I wanted to go over to the back, way over in yonder. So let's see where else I can go.
So I thought I had cleared up the issue on being a Jamaican citizen, living overseas, and traveling to Jamaica on a Jamaican passport. But apparently, I stirred up a hornet's nest.
So the rest of my time here, I pretty much just found a spot where I could sit and record some content. And that was my day. Thanks for watching. Bye.